she's got her spot, so I think we're okay. And then later, after she moves out of it, then she so I think we'll give it a
Let me see your belly. What do you have under there? Oh, you got mats. Look at that. What's this? You got a huge one on your armpit with some burrs. I don't know if you have foxtails in here, but you're being very nice about letting me mess with your belly. I'm sure this doesn't feel good on the armpit. I'll get that cut off. Let's see. You're kind of skinny. You're kind of skinny. You're pretty. You're pretty. Can I see your teeth? Got a little tartar. Your ears look pretty good. I mean, you got a huge mat, but it doesn't look infected in your ear. That's good. That's good. That's good. Do you like a belly rub? You got nice big paws.